Question number 6. An object of mass 2 kg is on a horizontal surface. The object is pulled by a force of 12 Newton. Okay, you're pulling it by a force of 12 Newton and accelerates at 2 meter per second square. Accelerates at 2 meter per second square. What is the coefficient of dynamic friction? Dynamic friction acts over here and the frictional force will act like this over here, right? So he's asking you what is the value of mu. So how do I write? I should write 12 minus frictional force. The free body diagram should be equal to net force. What is net force? 2 multiplied by 2. What is this now? This is m into a by Newton's second law, right? So therefore your frictional force should be equal to 12 minus 2 into 2 is 4. It is equal to 8. Now since it is moving, frictional force equal to mu times mg. What is m here? 2 multiplied by g, which is equal to 8. So mu times 20 is equal to 8. Mu should be equal to 8 by 20. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are maybe what I will do is I'll say 2 4s are 8. 2 10s are, it should be equal to 0.4, right? So the answer is B. Okay, let us move on to the next one.